Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to farm Hamster Combat. So, farming in Hamster Combat involves gathering resources, leveling up your hamsters and improving your equipment to progress in the game. So, this will be a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you farm effectively. Step 1 is understanding the basics of farming in Hamster Combat. So, the goal of farming is to gather resources such as tokens, coins, and items that can help you improve your hamsters, upgrading their abilities and progress in the game. So, some key resources in the game are hamster tokens. These are used to upgrade hamsters and unlock new features. Now, another key feature is coins, generally currency for in-game purchases. Another one is items. These are consumables or upgrades that help during battles or improve hamster stats. Now, step 2 is farm hamster tokens and coins. So the first way you can farm hamster tokens and coins is participating in daily quests. Each day, complete daily quests that reward you with tokens and coins. These quests are often simple tasks like winning battles or completing specific missions. Now, you can also engage in regular battles and tournaments because winning battles can reward you with coins and sometimes hamster tokens. You can aim to win the most battles in a day to maximize rewards. Third way you can do this is using the farming mode. Some games offer a specific farming or resource collection modes where you can farm for tokens or items without much effort. Look out for any auto farm feature that allows your hamster to keep collecting resources passively over time. Now, step 3 is upgrading hamsters to maximize farming efficiency. Level up your hamsters because strong hamsters perform better in battles and resource collections too. So, focus on leveling them up to increase their farming capacity. Now, you can equip your hamsters with gear that boosts resource drops. For example, gear that increases the amount of tokens dropped after a battle. Now, you can also use buffs or items that speed up farming or increase rewards. Step 4 will be participating in events. So, you'll have to look out for time-limited events that offer double rewards, special bonuses, or extra resources. These are excellent opportunities to farm more effectively. Certain events may offer exclusive farming rewards, including rare hamster tokens and unique upgrade items. So be sure to participate regularly. Step 5 will be using your resources wisely. Use coins to buy upgrades that enhance your hamster's farming abilities or overall strength, helping them collect resources more efficiently. Now, hamster tokens are valuable, so use them to upgrade your strongest hamsters or unlock new hamster slots to farm more resources simultaneously. Now, step 6 will be maximizing resource collection with a strategic play. So, some areas in the game may offer better rewards, so always check which locations provide the best returns on your farming efforts. Also, some multiplayer games feature guilds or teams that offer bonuses for collective farming. So, join a team to access additional farming opportunities. Now, step 7 will be collecting bonuses and daily login rewards. Many games reward players with daily login bonuses, including tokens, coins, or resources. So, don't miss out on these free rewards by logging in every day. Occasionally, you can claim boosts that increase the efficiency of your farming. These can be time limited, so use them wisely. Now, I have some tips for efficient farming in Hamster Combat. Balance farming with battles. So while farming, don't forget to engage in battles to maximize the number of rewards you can earn. Second tip will be take advantage of time-limited resources. Use time-limited farming opportunities to gather as many tokens and items as possible. Also, strategize upgrades. Focus on upgrading key hamsters that will help you progress further in the game and unlock more farming potential. By following these steps, you'll be able to farm effectively in Hamster Combat, earning resources, leveling up your hamsters, and progressing quickly through the game. Happy farming! If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.